My vlog, मेरा नाम है आशीष, आपका होस्ट, आपका दोस्त, and it's already 24th of December. Most of the people in the world are partying mood, and so right now आज के जो वीडियो है it's going to be really interesting because I'm going for the next 4 days and exploring Goa. So I'm going Goa in North Goa for next 4 days. From in these 4 days I'll be covering the entire beaches in Goa. I'll be covering the South Goa. So I also been in month of November. हम जाते हैं, so I'll be covering them also, but the unknown beaches which you haven't heard, and I'll be covering that beaches as well. So today my flight is at 7:20 p.m. from RJ Airport to Goa. So I'm going to the new airport Mopa, which is almost nearby to most of the beaches like North Goa beaches. So I'll be going there. Then I have booked my room hotel in near the Baga Beach. Video I'll be covering the entire information, where to stay and where to explore in North and South Goa. So if you are party animal, you can go to North Goa and explore all the beaches like Baga, Calangute, Candelium. So these are the beach where you can enjoy it. And if you're not a party freak animal, or you don't like to party, you don't like crowds, so you can go to South Goa, and I will explore that also. So stay with me in this vlog, and I will explore all the possible things what you want to know before you go hit to Goa in flights. And basically मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ फ्लाइट में, एंड मैं वापस जब गोवा से हैदराबाद आ रहा हूँ, सिकंदराबाद आ रहा हूँ मींडू से. आई एम कमिंग बाई AC फर्स्ट क्लास in the train. So the train from Goa is from Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama se it is at 9 a.m. in the morning, and I'll give you that train description in the vlog description. And it is like 9 o'clock in the morning on 28th of December, and the journey is for 20 hours. So it might get delayed for 21 to 22 hours, or might take 24 hours as well. So it is, and I'm reaching next day in Secunderabad 6 o'clock in the morning. So वो है, and because I want to explore, because हम लोग आना जाना करते ही हैं flight से, so I just want to make it more adventurous. So I'm coming this time from Goa to Secunderabad. I'm coming by train, so it's going to be fun. So guys, मुझे हैदराबाद से गोवा जाने का जो फ्लाइट का जो कॉस्ट मुझे लगा, ऑलमोस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू पर्सन्स, इट्स मी एंड माय वाइफ, एंड it took me around 9,800 for 2 people, and I booked the ticket in end of November for December, because अगर आप दिसंबर में if you buying the tickets, it's little costly than compared to the regular months, non-season months. So मुझे दोनों का मिला के costed me 9,800 change with some discounts from Vasco da Gama to Secunderabad. For 2 of us, it costed me around 6,000, 3,000 each. It is an AC coach, and it's a confirmed ticket. Stay tuned with me, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.
So guys, मेरे backpack हो चुके हैं, and my laptop goes inside, and this is my luggage.
So guys, अभी मेरा सामान पैक हो चुका है. I'm all ready, set to go to Goa. मेरे घर से एयरपोर्ट is just half an hour 45 minutes away, so delay होने से problem नहीं होगा. I've already booked my cab. It's on the way. It's gonna reach in next 2 to 3 minutes. So see you at the airport. Hey guys, right now we are at RJI airport and we almost there. The flight is at 7:20, so we have to take our boarding pass, and I think we are a bit late, but I think we should be on time. So we just go have to stand in the queue and take our boarding pass and go towards the aircraft. So guys, अभी हम क्यू में हैं. So we have taken the boarding pass. So इसके बाद security check, उसके बाद हम मिलेंगे उस तरफ. So guys, हमारा security check ख़त्म हो चुका है and we got the boarding pass. So हमारा जो अभी फ़्लाइट है गेट नंबर 4 6:45 वो बोर्ड होगा फ़्लाइट. So I'm very excited to go to Goa because it's 24 December already. So कल 25th December होगा. So I'm excited to see the party in Goa. Guys, हम लोग आ चुके हैं गेट नंबर 4. I don't see that इतना क्राउड है यहाँ पे आज, क्योंकि यूजुअली क्रिसमस के टाइम पे क्राउड ज़्यादा होता है यहाँ पे, बट आई डोंट सी दैट क्राउड. I hope we'll see some crowd in Goa. ये रहा हमारा गेट. सो दिस इज़ गेट नंबर 4. सो हम लोग यहाँ से टिकट दिखा के विल हैव टू गो देयर एंड सिट इन दी एयरक्राफ्ट. गाइस, शाम का फ्लाइट होने से आपको एक अच्छा एडवांटेज है कि एक्चुअली यू कैन फील दैट क्रिसमस वाइब्स अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग या आफ्टरनून में आपको इतना अच्छा, बिकॉज हैदराबाद में इट इज़ ऑलरेडी सनी. सो रात का फ्लाइट इज़ आई वुड से प्रेफरेबल बिकॉज आप रात में चले जाते हो एंड यू जस्ट रीच इन 1 hour. सो अभी हमारा जो बोर्डिंग पास हम जाएंगे, हमारा जो बोर्डिंग शुरू होगा इन नेक्स्ट 10 minutes.
So guys, हम इस सीढ़ी से निकल के then we have to go right and we have to head towards the aircraft.
So guys, we are in the flight right now and the flight seems a little empty, but there are people around, there are people ahead and back also. So our seat number is 31 and 32. So we're going to sit there and we'll enjoy our flight for 1 hour. So we'll catch up in Goa. So guys, finally we are at Goa airport, Mopa airport. This is the new airport right now. So the weather is okay, the weather is good. So we're going to take our luggage from the bell number 2 and then head out the airport. So guys, Mopa airport is beautiful and this is the first time I'm coming in the night over here. और I will Goa में first time है, तो it's a beautiful airport. And I love this airport so much now. So the weather in Goa is pretty okay. It's almost 28 degrees Celsius, and right now we're heading out. We're searching for a taxi right now. So we head towards Baga Beach. So guys, this is the beautiness of this airport. I really love this because the entire the infrastructure, if you see, it's so beautiful. And this is GOX. with the love symbol over there, and this is 2025. You already going in 2025 right now, so it's beautiful. So guys, हमको कैब मिल गया है. हम यहाँ से बागा बीच जा रहे हैं to our hotel. Guys, I'm right now in Baga Beach Lane, and I'm going towards Baga Beach, and if you see the crowd behind me, it is full of crowd, and the vibe, I can feel the vibe, the Christmas vibe already, and I cannot tell you how many people I can see in the people coming the other side, and I'm walking with people around, so it's so good. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. Christmas का अभी actual मज़ा भी आ रहा है. Check out the crowd, so nice. Guys, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. Actually, the vibe, Christmas Eve शुरू हो चुका है. People are start coming over here, and I cannot express my feeling. It's so nice. Go and touch it next time. Go and touch it. As you can see, the people in the pub, it's full on. I cannot. There's so much of crowd over here today.